Okay, so you can see I got gasket compound on the elbow for the intake housing, thermostat housing. And there's our new gasket. I've got some gasket compound as well. And then put some never sees on our bolts just so, if I ever need to get these out again. And so there's our gasket. So what I'm going to do first is I'm actually going to set the gasket down in place first, just like that, to make sure everything is lined up good. Perfect. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and set the intake on top of that and get some of these bolts started. Okay, so all the 9/16 bolts, there's one on the top, one on the bottom, both of those are tightened up. And now go ahead and install your hoses and worm clamps. Okay, so all the worm clamps are installed, thermostat housing, everything's torqued down. So hope that wasn't too hard of a chore to do. And as always, happy boating.